What is your name?
Hi, I'm Cassie San.
What is your dream career?
I want to be a professional soccer player.
Why did you choose this outfit?
I chose this outfit because Ronaldo is my idol. This is his uniform.
What does this job do to help other people?
When I grow up, I want to inspire kids like me to dream big and persevere.
What will you do to reach your dream?
I should listen to my coaches, be present at training, and always study well.